Good morning. I am here with Adam Buck from the Fruitkin Law Firm, and we're going to talk about a subject that is very interesting, and that is revenge porn, or as some people call it, cyber rape. So, Adam, could you explain to us a little bit about what is revenge porn?
Revenge porn is distributing images, nude images or sexual images of someone without their permission.
That's why people call it cyber rape, because it's on the computer. Now, does it have to be on the computer?
Yeah, it doesn't have to be, but typically it is.
Okay.
What we see is a boyfriend and girlfriend, for example, and after they're split, then they post images. And it's usually with a phone number or some sort of identifying feature so that people can see who this person is, and they do it for revenge.
So basically, boyfriend and girlfriend. Girlfriend takes a picture of herself naked or a video. Does it apply to the video too?
Applies to videos.
And then for whatever reason, because I don't know what reason she would do this, but they go ahead and send it to the boyfriend.
That's right.
And then the boyfriend, if he just sends it to another friend, what happens?
Well, if it's distributed with the intent to harm, then it's revenge porn. So is there a reasonable expectation of privacy when you do that? And if so, then it's not supposed to be distributed beyond that realm.
Okay, so if she sends the picture over to him just for him, she doesn't intend for anybody else to see it.
Yes.
And then he sends it to his friend just to say, hey, look, I'm cool, look what I've got. That's okay.
Well, and we can talk about the legislation, but that's what the legislation is looking to prevent and prohibit. Okay,
all right. But if he sends it out to everybody and he wants to hurt her, that's where it's really bad.
Yes. And typically it's meant to harm emotionally or financially.
Well, I could imagine.
People look at the internet for jobs. So it could be that somebody loses out on a job because of images, and the employer takes a pass and chooses somebody else.
So what's the punishment? If the boyfriend sends this out to everybody, he wants to hurt her, he doesn't have her permission, what can happen to him?
Well, let's talk about HB 2001. That's the new bill that was passed recently by the House and the Senate. And the idea is to make it a Class 5 felony to publish types of things.
Now, does it matter if you can tell who the person is that's in the picture or on the video?
Well, the law just says that if you distribute it without their permission, with the intent to harm, and the person had a reasonable expectation of privacy, then yes, it violates the law, and that carries a 1 to 2 year prison sentence.
Oh, wow. So the boyfriend could actually go to prison for this?
Yes. Prior to this law, the answer was no. It would be civil liability, but with this, it's meant to attack it criminally.
Okay, so we've got the criminal punishment. You just mentioned civil. So what could the girlfriend do civilly to the boyfriend or ex-boyfriend, I should say, for sending this out?
Well, obviously, you can bring a civil lawsuit, but those take tens of thousands of dollars. And if you don't have the money, then the victim can't really get justice.
Gosh, this sounds terrible. I think the moral of the story here is don't send naked pictures or videos, number one, and number two. And number three, I guess be careful who you're dating, because you never know what might happen.
That's right.
All right. Well, Adam, thank you so much for being here. That's great information. Again, people, don't take naked pictures and send them. All right. We will be